Hello.
You're doing this. Okay, that's better.
Hi guys. So, excuse the state of me today. I've got a helper in the kitchen today. This
For hard work.
So, today we are having, I don't know whether you can guess from the ingredients, an easy chicken curry. Now, I've not made this recipe before, but thought we'd give it a go. That's what it looks like at the minute. Arthur's cooking the onions and the garlic and the ginger.
What garlic?
There's chopped garlic in there.
Oh.
So we're going to carry on cooking it and then get back to you guys in a little bit, hopefully with a taste test. Bye. So, dinner's ready. Arthur's special curry. And how's it tasting, guys?
Good. Just a tip, if you're having curry and rice, put salt in it. It's really good.
I think it's super tasty. So well done. George,
Mom,
come and get your dinner.
we can't show these.
We're still waiting for George. Here he is. He's come to try his. Yeah.
Put me in the episode. Is that mom? This is the tip. Get salt and then put it in your rice.
You're not keen? Arthur made that.
I don't like these. I only like the chicken.
Okay, well you just eat the chicken then, babe.
No.
Eat the chicken then.
Hello.
So, thumbs up, thumbs down, who knows? We'll see who eats it all.
Mummy's bowl. George's bowl. Arthur's bowl. Isabel's bowl.
And Imogen didn't try any because she's not feeling very well. So it was kind of like, yeah, not very
Leave
much
that
of
porridge
a
for
hit.
Amy.